Okay, so good afternoon to my lecturer. So this is my lab sets. So I will simply just make a simple briefing. So make a simple demo. So this is the part one. So for this part one, okay, sorry, I have one problem here. Okay, so for the part one, okay, for the part one, okay. So 0, 1, it will be 1, 0. So if 1, 1, it will become 0, 0. So let's say what if I put 0, 0? It will still become 1, 0, right? Because it need to the flow, so I cannot open both. So I will just do it simple. So if 1, 0, it will become make a twist, which Q equal to 0 and Q bar equal to 1. So let's move to the next one. So for this is the part B. So if it is 0, now let's say it is 0, 0, 1. So let's put it 1, 0, 0. So J, R and S, so S is equal to 1, R is equal to 0. So it is still 1, 0. So if let's say if we put 1, 0, 1, so it will become 1, 0. 1, 1, 1, it will become 0. So 1, 1, 0, it will become 0, 1. So is 0, 1, 0, it will still the same, remain the same. Let's put 1, 0, 1, so it will become 0 and 1. So let's move to the next part, which is the part 3. Wait a minute. Okay, for the part 3. Part 3 is still the same, just that we add on another set of AND gate. So we will have still the same thing, still the same concept. Just we put it at J and K. So now J is 1, K is 0. So 0, 1. So what if I open this clock, D clock? So it will change to 1, 0. So if I put 0, 1, 0, it will still the same. So let's say if K is 1, D clock is 1, J is 0. So it will become 0, 0. So let's 1, 1, 1. So it will keep changing for I don't know what is the reason. So for mine it will be still keep changing. So if 1, 0, 1, it will become 1, 0. Okay, so let's move to the another part, the part D. Okay, for this part D, so it is J and K. The J and K, and this using the 7476. So if I put it at 0, 1, 0, it will become Q is 0, Q bar is 1. So what if I close? So Q is equal to 1, Q bar equal to 0. So if I close this J and I open the D clock and K, so it will still remain the same. So if I close, okay, so it will only K alone. So it will 0 equal to Q and Q bar equal to 1. If 1, 0, 1 is still the same, so 1, 1, 1 will remain the same. Alright, so let's move to the other part, which is this part, we have an oscilloscope. So when I run this, so this will coming out, and I try to move it a bit bigger. Alright. Okay, so as you can see, this is the oscilloscope, which we have after we already run the circuit. So this is the graph that we get. So we have to draw it into the table, into the diagram given. So let's move to the last one. The last one, Okay, the last one. We have the toggle, and we have the D clock here, and we have a D. So if okay, so I close the D clock, so it will become 1 0. What if I 0 0 is still remain the same? So 1 1 it will still remain the same. So if I close this, wait a minute. So it will still remain the same. So if I close it, it will become 1 0 1. So as this I don't remember the sequence, so this is just a simple demo that I demo. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.